When you search for something today, you usually get a full answer at the top instead of a list of websites. This is a massive change in how the internet works. If your brand isn't appearing inside those AI-generated answers, you're basically invisible to your customers. This new era is called Generative Engine Optimization, and it changes everything about how we find information online. Understanding this shift is the first step, but having the right data to navigate it is where a tool like SEMrush comes in. Now, the link to SEMrush is in the description. It's my affiliate link, which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So if you find this video helpful and decide to give SEMrush a try, I would appreciate if you use my link. Now, let's get started. What is GEO? Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO, is the practice of making sure your content shows up inside responses generated by AI search engines like ChatGPT, Google, and Perplexity. Now, while traditional SEO focuses on ranking in a list of blue links, GEO is about ensuring your brand is part of the actual answer the AI gives to a user. Think of it this way. Instead of giving a user a list of sites to visit, the AI reads many sources and writes one clear response. With GEO, you're competing to be the source the AI trusts to build that answer. You aren't just looking for a click anymore. You're looking to be the information that the AI delivers directly. Why old SEO isn't enough? AI-powered search is growing faster than almost any technology in history. ChatGPT reached 100 million users faster than any other app, and Google's AI overviews now show up for billions of searches every month. This shift matters because people are increasingly turning to AI assistants for everything from deep research to product recommendations. These tools act like digital sales personnel that can sway a person's decisions on what to buy. If an AI answer mentions your brand, you're instantly part of the customer's choice. But if you aren't mentioned, you might not be seen at all. The stakes are high because you aren't just missing a click. You're being left out of the conversation entirely. Now, before we get into the specific steps to improve your visibility, I want to give a quick shout out to SEMrush for sponsoring this video and helping me bring this research to you guys. The strategy, how SEO and GEO work together. The good news is that you don't have to throw away everything you know about SEO, because SEO and GEO work together as one big strategy. AI assistants pull information from the same internet your SEO content lives on. If you have been doing solid SEO for years, you're already much of the way there because the basic rules haven't really changed. The best way to stay visible is to consistently publish content tied to your brand, make it easy for AI to understand, and earn mentions across the web. The 6 tactics for AI visibility. Research into this field is still in the early stages, but we're starting to see how AI systems read the internet differently than standard search engines. There are already clear patterns in what helps a brand show up inside an AI answer. Here are 6 tactics that are making an impact right now. Unlinked mentions. In the past, a website usually needed to link directly to you for it to count toward your rankings. Now, AI systems appear to give brand mentions weight even when there's no link involved. Now, this is a big change because it means casual mentions of your brand across the web can boost how often you show up in AI answer. Quotes and statistics. It turns out that AI assistants really like facts and numbers. One study of 10,000 real-world searches found that pages containing quotes and statistics had 30 to 40% higher visibility in AI responses. Including clear data helps the AI see your content as a more reliable source. Server-side rendering. This is a technical step, but it is very important for being seen. Many AI crawlers have trouble reading certain types of website code, especially JavaScript. If a site relies on that code to show its information, the AI might find it invisible and won't include it in its response. Using server-side rendering makes it much easier for the AI to pick up and process your information. Fresh content. AI tools want to give people the most current information they can find. Because of this, fresh content and regular updates usually get more favor from these tools. Wikipedia presence. Wikipedia makes up a massive part of the data used to train AI models. Because of this, having an accurate and detailed page there makes it much more likely that an AI will mention a brand. Use platforms. Sites like Reddit and YouTube are very popular with AI search engines. These platforms feature content created by real people, and they have very high exposure in generative engines. Having a strong presence on these sites is now a major factor in staying visible. There's still a lot to figure out as this technology grows, but focusing on these areas is a strong way to begin. Tracking success with SEMrush. Since GEO happens inside an answer, you need new ways to track it. Tools like the SEMrush AI Visibility Toolkit or SEMrush Enterprise AIO allows you to monitor your visibility across different AI engines. You can track your share of voice to see if you're making progress and monitor brand sentiment to see if the AI is describing a brand favorably. You can even track specific questions or prompts to see exactly where your brand is winning. Conclusion. Search is moving from a list of blue links to direct answers. This changes how everyone finds and reads information online. In this new era, visibility means showing up inside the AI's answer itself. To stay relevant, you need to track how often AI tools are using your content as a source. Now, in the end, the best way to see if your brand is appearing in AI answers or if you're currently invisible to your customers is to try SEMrush yourself. So if you found this video helpful and are planning to give SEMrush a try, make sure to use my link in the description of this video to support the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.